Welcome to channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add thumbnail to your YouTube video. Let's start. At first you have to open your YouTube app. After doing this, tap on the plus icon. Then you have to upload a video. For this you have to tap on upload a video option. Then select the video that you want to upload. You can see the video. Now tap on next. Right now, if you guys want to add a thumbnail, then you have to tap on this option. Then select the thumbnail. After this, tap on done. And then you guys can see I have added a thumbnail to my video. If you tap on next, then your video will be uploaded with this thumbnail. Now tap on next. As you guys can see, this video is right now uploading. Here you guys can find out your videos. As you guys can see, I have uploaded this video with a thumbnail. You guys can also do it. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.